This is the emergency alert system. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. This message is being transmitted at the request of the national government. An unknown threat to public safety has been detected. Please stand by for further instructions. Authorities have confirmed the presence of 2 hostile anomalies within populated areas. Extreme caution is advised. The first anomaly appears as a short humanoid female figure, overweight, wearing a yellow shirt, and standing 4 to 5 feet tall. It possesses superhuman strength. Weakness: loud music disrupts its behavior. Defensive action: if grabbed from the front, perform a 360-degree spin kick to escape. If attacked from behind, a backward kick will slow it down. Avoid direct confrontation. Warning: if it is insulted, mocked, or disrespected in any way, the target will be immediately charcoaled. The second anomaly takes the form of a young humanoid female artist carrying a tablet. If it sees you, it will draw your likeness and upload it to social media. Hazard: once posted, you have only 2 hours to locate and follow its account. Failure to do so will result in your removal from this reality and relocation to a universe far worse than death. Warning: if its tablet is damaged, interfered with, or destroyed, the target will be instantly charcoaled. Note: the social media platform may vary. Monitor all accounts for unusual posts involving your appearance. Instructions for the public: remain indoors. Lock all doors and windows. Do not attempt unnecessary travel. Keep family members close and accounted for. Seek shelter in secure rooms if available. Stay calm. Do not panic. Use caution when encountering unfamiliar individuals. Further instructions will follow as the situation develops. Stay
You think you can escape from us? We will find you! You all deserve this! We show no mercy and will!
Did you know that we are getting a new country?